Okay guys, you're welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to know if someone is online on your Reddit. Now let's get started. What you need to do is open your Reddit. Once you open your Reddit, now what you need to do is go to your message. But currently now I do not have any message, but this is another means for you to know if someone is online. If someone is online. Now what you need to do is go to your profile. You can see this going on dots shows that I am online. So if someone is online, you see this, you can see this is it online. You will see this green dot there, and it's going to pop out green. That means the person is online. So if that person is not online, automatically you're not going to see this green dots on the person. That means the person is not online. It's going to be invisible. That this is it. You can see that means the person is not online, and it can be set by the person. You can see you can change your online status by that person. So if you message the person and the person did not reply back immediately, that means the person is not available to reply your messages. That doesn't mean the person is not online or it is online. But if you see this green mark, that means the person is online. And if you see this green mark, that means the person is very, very idle. It doesn't have a time to message. And if you see this do not disturb, so you have different mark there that shows different things. So once you say that it is a green, that means the person is online and is ready to receive your message. You can try and message the person, and maybe the person is going to read it. But that line this mark doesn't mean that the person is online and he must read your message. So some people might be online and they are not available to reply messages. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.